Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. Talent hits a target no one else can hit. Genius hits a target no one else can see. It is not flesh and blood, but the heart which makes us fathers and sons. Man is born free, and everywhere he is in chains. Immaturity is the incapacity to use one's intelligence without the guidance of another. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Judge a man by his questions rather than by his answers. The only defense against the world is a thorough knowledge of it. Patience is of two kinds: patience over what pains you, and patience against what you covet. Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. The risk of a wrong decision is preferable to the terror of indecision. The greatest happiness you can have is knowing that you do not necessarily require happiness. Even after all this time, the sun never says to the earth, "You owe me." The lion is most handsome when looking for food. The wound is the place where the light enters you. He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. The aim of the wise is not to secure pleasure, but to avoid pain. There is nothing on this earth more to be prized than true friendship. To one who has faith, no explanation is necessary. To one without faith, no explanation is possible. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. The mind is everything, what you think you become. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. He who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive. It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it.